Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi bean sprouts. Start by rinsing and trimming your mung bean sprouts, then salt them lightly to draw out water. Next, mix gochugaru, minced garlic, fish sauce, a splash of rice vinegar, and a pinch of sugar to form your kimchi paste. Toss the drained sprouts with the paste, press gently, and let them marinate briefly before serving as a crunchy side. In this video, I will show how to make kimchi bean sprouts. After rinsing, salt your sprouts and let them rest to release water, then squeeze gently to drain. Prepare a kimchi paste using gochugaru, minced garlic, fish sauce, and a touch of rice vinegar for brightness. Combine the paste with the drained sprouts, mix evenly so each sprout is coated, and taste to adjust seasoning before moving to marination. In this video, I will show how to make kimchi bean sprouts. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes following recipes anywhere easy with a glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect for kitchen counters and grocery lists. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more helpful cooking guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make kimchi bean sprouts. Once coated, let the sprouts marinate at least 30 minutes so flavors meld. Overnight yields deeper taste. Serve them chilled or at room temperature alongside rice, noodles, or grilled proteins for a bright contrast. Keep leftovers in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, and always give them a quick stir before serving to redistribute the paste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.